guys, laro tayong Slap Tower 0 hanggang Slap Tower 10. Let's go sa Slap Tower 0. I'm dead, I use my hack. Come on. I'm not dead. Talsik lang ako sa map. Malapit na yun. Come on, yes. I'm dead, I lost my... Oh my god. I'm not good this OG. And I am not... This is so hard. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah. What's this? Wow. Thank you. Oh. I know. Go. I'm not troll because I'm good. Come on. No. Let's go. Yan na guys. Punta na tayo. Slap Tower 1. It's time to use apply. Ha, di ka meron ako sabing I can use my apply. See? I like this group or not. And then, yeah, I not like it. Let's go apply glitch. I play glitch. Kasi hanggang chill. Yellow muna ako gusto ko. Let's go. Mabara ko muna to. Nakita ko nila. Let's go. I beat this girl. Man, no, I'm not losing. Oh yeah. Ano mo? Slap. How I'm lose there. Slap Tower 2. May Slap Tower 2, yeah. Yay! Let's go. Hindi na ako gamit ng play glitch because nagamit ko na. Ay, alam ko to na hawak ko na to. Or na like ko na. Alam ko. Oh, sabi ko na. Na-like ko na. Ano to? Oh, this is no jump na. How I will. Oh, she is for me. She suck, bro. Next. Last chance. I did one chance. I won one die. I lose. This man is green. Bro. Bro. Gusto ko gamit ng fly. Ayoko. Hacker daw yun. Ang report pa ako dito sa Slap Tower. I'm not winning, ha? Bro. Yan, deserve mo. Bro, how I got... Oh, not die. I said, no dying. Okay, ang gamit ko fly dito. Ay, sasunila muna tayo. Gusto ko. Uy. Hindi nila kita yun. Oh my god. Bro, I'm stuck in. Please, Bro. Naputi. No. Come on, this. Ang bilis ng wall click. Paano ko yun abot? Hindi ko naman yun abot. Galing mo. Lagi, no, I'm good. Aray ka! What you doing there, LK? Oo nga pala, LK pala. Sorry. Uy, 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 almost to. Uy, ooh, ooh. Yes. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Just go. Easy naman. You are done. Woo. Malapit na hulog. Taray ko. Bro, isa pa. Mobile kasi ako. Marunong ako sa OB. Minsan lang nahulog. Oo nga, minsan lang nahulog lang. Dito. Oo. Computer ako, hirap ako sa OB. Ang computer, man, ang dali ka agad. Uy, 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 uy! Thank God, I'm saved. Thank you, Lord, nasave ako. Thank you, Lord. What's this? Oh my God, malapit na ang hulog. Napatay ako, ayoko na. I end my life. Uy. This is the end. No, I'm okay. No, I win. Give me that. And I win. Let's go to Clock Tower. Clock Tower 3. Let's go. Ito na is Clock Tower 3. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Ayos na like ko dito. Men 100 or 99 lang. Kala ko 99. What's this button? Control please. And die. Ayan. She died here. No! No! Land chance, please. Gusto na ako ng lipad. Gusto ko talaga. Guys, I'm broke the promise. Open the door, bro. Open the door. Uy. Uy, she's looking at me. No, ang bilis. No. Bro. How they come here? Okay, guys. Bruh, my control is broken. Bruh, my control is broken. Bruh, this guy is in. Ay,